Hi there, my name is Allie. I am a blue shirt expert here at Best Buy, and today I am super excited to introduce to you all the Logitech G Cloud here on Best Buy's Unboxed. Let's get right into it. So I'll start out by opening the little flap here. I love this packaging. Keep playing, so that's the whole point of this console, is it's going to be portable so you can take it wherever. Go ahead and take this out here. We've got a big, beautiful screen to start out here, and actually, it's got a nice textured back on it, and in my opinion, that is a really nice feature, so when I'm getting really sweaty into my video games, I'm not gonna worry about losing my grip, so I can keep playing when I want to. Honestly, the way that the curve of the handles is too is really nice in my opinion, just again, so when I got a good grip on there, I can play the best of my ability. Go ahead and set that right here for a moment so we can look at the rest of the items in the box. Now inside of here we've got our cable, and get that out for us here. Charging cable, classic type A to type C, which is pretty standard nowadays for charging things, I believe. Got a nice little Logitech G sticker, just like they like to provide in most of their items, along with that easy start manual, and our charging adapter for the wall. Get that out as well. Let's look a little closer here. Now I do know that this device has remappable buttons, but one thing that I didn't notice before is that up here in the top we actually have a small slot for expandable storage. So you can store a little more than maybe you were expecting originally. I think one of my favorite things about this is that I would be able to stay connected and keep playing the entire time, and that's something that is really, really nice, because not only can I play Xbox Game Pass, I can play NVIDIA GeForce Now games, I can also access those Google Play games as well, so honestly, I'm not stuck playing one game, and that's a pretty darn nice feature. One of the nicest features about this device that I think is incredibly underrated is the rechargeable battery. So if I'm going on a trip, on vacation, I know that I'm gonna have plenty of time to play all my favorite shooters, RPGs, strategy games, all in one place and on the go. You'll also notice on here we've got a nice big display, so it's gonna be a lot larger than your phone. Kind of brings a whole new level to mobile gaming when you have that big screen that's also a touch screen, and it runs in 1080p, so you're gonna get a nice crisp image to keep you immersed in your gaming experience. With this kind of technology being something completely new, introducing different layers of multi-platform gaming in one small handheld place, I am very, very excited that I got to introduce to you today the Logitech G Cloud mobile gaming device. My name is Allie, a blue shirt expert here at Best Buy. To learn more about this product, feel free to click the link below. And now if you'll excuse me, I've got some gaming to do.